Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's quick Python tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to extract audio from video just using a few lines of code in moviepy. We'll go through it line by line, so even if you're a complete beginner you'll understand what's going on. So without any further ado, let's get started. We'll start off by installing the moviepy module. So in your terminal, go ahead and type pip install moviepy and hit enter, and you'll have it in no time. The first line we're going to have is from moviepy editor import video file clip. This line imports the video file clip class from the moviepy editor module. We'll use this to load the video and access its audio. Think of video file clip like a tool that lets Python open and work with video files. And we're also going to import the OS module. We'll use this to check if the video file actually exists before trying to extract its audio. It's just like a safety check, better than having our program crash. Now we're going to define a function, and we're going to call this function extract audio, and it takes in one parameter, video path, which is just the location of the video file we want to process. Next, we're going to say if not os.path in file video path, print video file not found, return. So before we do anything, this will check if the video file even exists. If it doesn't, we'll print out an error message and exit the function early. It's always good practice to add checks like this in your code. Then we're going to create a variable, and we're going to call this variable video clip, and to set this variable to video clip video path. Now we load the video using video file clip. This reads the video file and stores this in this variable video clip. From here we can access both the video and the audio parts. So we're going to create another variable, and we're going to call it audio, and I'll set it to this variable to video clip. This line grabs the audio stream from the video. It's like saying I don't care about the picture, just give me the sound. Then we're going to add one more variable called output name. You want to set it to output name. You want to set it to os.path split text video path 0 plus audio.mp3. So over here we're creating a new file for our audio. os.path split text splits the file name and removes the mp4 part. We add audio.mp3 at the end. So if your video was holiday.mp4, the audio file will be saved as holiday underscore audio.mp3. Next, you're going to say audio, write audio file output name. This is the magic line. It takes the audio we just extracted and then saves it as an mp3 file using the name we just created. And that's your final output. And then we're going to print audio saved, and we're going to call the output name variable we created. So we're letting the user know that the process is done, and we're telling them where the audio was saved. This is great for debugging or just giving clear feedback. Now we're going to add this line. This line checks if the script is being run directly and not being imported. In simple terms, this is the starting point of our script. Next, we're going to create a variable, and we're going to call it video path, and I'm going to set it to sample video.mp4. And then I'm also going to add extract audio and then call the video path variable we just created. So here's what's going on over here. In this video path, we define the video file name. The video that I want to convert is called sample video.mp4. You can change it to any video you want. Then we call our function to actually extract the audio, and then once you run the script, you'll find a new mp3 file saved in the same folder. Now before you run the program, make sure that the video that you're trying to convert is in the same folder as your Python script. Here's mine. Then go ahead and run the program, and now if you go to the same folder where your Python script is, you'll find a new file called sample video audio.mp3, and that's it. We've just extracted audio from a video using Python. If you found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Please help me reach my goal of 10k subscribers by the end of this year. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or just want to say hi, then leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.